Rigid motions are shape movements that keep all their side and angle measurements. In other words, the shape dimensions do not change at all. The first type of rigid motion is a translation, and in this motion, the shape slides. For example, here is a translation. The shape slides up, and then the shape slides to the side. After a shape goes through any of the rigid motions, this new shape will have a copy of the letter vertex but with an apostrophe that in math we call prime. So this is the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. The next rigid motion is called a reflection, and in this motion the shape will flip. For example, we take our triangle ABC, and if we flip it, we have a new triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. And you could also think of a reflection kind of like a mirror image. If there was a mirror right here, then we would be able to see this object in the mirror. The third rigid motion is a rotation, and in this motion, the shape will turn. So triangle ABC going through a rotation motion will look like this. And we have a new A prime, B prime, and C prime. All of these shapes are congruent to the original triangle ABC because all rigid motions keep all of their side and angle measurements. The shape is just in a new location. Let's check for understanding. Which rigid motion is a translation? How do you know? A. The original triangle and the rigid motion triangle. B. The original triangle and this rigid motion triangle. C. This original triangle and this rigid motion triangle. Blank is a translation because B. B is a translation because the shape does not flip. In option A, this is a reflection, the shape flipped. Or turn. In option C, the shape turned. It only slides to a new location. It went down a little bit and then over to the side.